Hello everyone, I'm Shauna, your independent Scentsy Consultant. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe for the latest updates and collections and hauls for Scentsy. And if you're not new here, welcome back. So I was out, did a little Bath and Body Works shopping, and went and got a pumpkin spice latte from Starbucks. And I had at my door a Scentsy box. Yay! So, you guys know me by now. I've already unboxed everything, sanitized everything because of the pandemic. So, I will start with non-wax products first. So, I picked up 2 black raspberry vanilla laundry liquids. Love this. It's so fragrant. I don't know how I am ever going to go back to like a domestic brand because I love this. It's so fragrant. I do the laundry liquid, the washer whiffs, and the scent soft, and also the dryer disc, and I'm absolutely loving it. So I got 2 of those. And then for one of my customers, I actually picked up a pink cotton laundry liquid for her. So, and I might open that up and smell it because I'm really, really curious about that. And then for a customer, I also ordered a Twinkle Warmer, and this is currently available, so stay tuned for an unboxing for that. And then I picked up a glass nightlight tabletop, and I actually got this for my mini glitter rose gold warmer that I did. I did a video on that. I'll link that for you in case you haven't seen that. But I really like to use that on my tabletop because I just think it's so lovely. And I love anything pink, rose gold. So I had to pick up one of those. And one more non-wax pack. I got a pack of room sprays. I got 2 Cloudberry Dreams. That is one of the new releases. I got a cozy cardigan. I also got 2 black raspberry vanilla and 1 sea salt and avocado. So I really like the room sprays. They're oil based. I use them in the bathroom. Just be careful if you have if you spray that and it falls down to the floor. I mean, it's oil, so just be careful of that. But I also use this as like a poopery. It works. The oil settles on the top of the water. And I also keep one of these in my car. I don't really use the car bars because, I mean, I just don't. I have a Scentsy Go in my car that I turn on when I'm in my car. And then I have a room spray. So if I want my car to smell really good, I just kind of mist the carpets. And that works really well for me. So love the room sprays. Multi-purpose uses for those. So let's get into the wax. I have the new Find Your Happy wax collection. This is a 5-bar bundle that's available for $25. You have to purchase the entire bundle. I actually did a full review on this one, Sniff Session. I will also link that video for you. But you can add these individual bars to your Scentsy Club. And that way, anything that you don't like, you can always delete it. So that's what I did. But I'm loving the bundle. It has the yellow ribbon and it's packaged in the organza bag. And Find Your Happy First Kiss Fireworks. Yeah, this is really, let me read you the scent description. Pucker up with pink lemon, sweet red apple, and soft musk. So let me smell the bottom because in my other video I just had testers. Yeah, citrus, lemon, apple with a hint of musk. And you know I'm going to pop these in my warmers today because I can't wait. Next one is Find Your Happy. And scent description, wait, Find Your Happy, showered in flowers. Okay, so it's Follow a trail of rose petals to sweet jasmine and sun-kissed greens. And this one's very floral and sweet. You definitely get the rose and the jasmine. But it's got the green note behind it too. I love this one. I love it. Very floral, very green. And the next one is Sunrise with Friends. And it's an orange wax. I didn't show you the color of the wax. So First Kiss Fireworks is like this like pink fuchsia with orange in it. And then Showered in Flowers is lavender. But the scent description for this one is: soak in the moment with orange zest, coastal water, and ocean driftwood. So nice. It's like you get the orange, but you also get the water, like aquatic and orange. Very interesting. I'm intrigued by this one. I definitely want to warm that to see how I like it, because it is sort of an odd combination to me. Okay, next bar is Taste of Summer, and it's like this like kind of mustard colored wax. Okay. Sit back and relax with iced tea, lemon, and sparkling sugar. And this smells like a tall glass of iced tea. Like you're sitting on your porch down south. Sweet tea is really big in the South. Maybe in Tennessee. In a wooden rocking chair, and your host brings you a tall glass of iced tea on a tray, and it's got lemon slices in it. That's what this smells like. So if you want your house to smell like iced tea with lemon, that's for you. I think that one would be good in the kitchen, or maybe if you have a sunroom. I think that might be nice. The next one is Wild, Barefoot, and Free, and it is this like really pretty like a spring green. Throw caution to the wind with fresh air, fields of grass, and wild lily. This smells like you're walking through a field of very green, healthy grass, and there are lilies blooming. But you also get this fresh note, like maybe the field is near a body of water. I love this. If you like scents, very green scents, like fresh cut grass. I mean, it's in the same family as fresh cut grass, but this one you definitely get the lily, and you also get the aquatic, like fresh note with this. I love this. This is definitely staying in my club. So that is the new Find Your Happy wax collection. And then from the International Wax Collection, one of the salted lavenders that I ordered was on back order, and it's this lavender colored wax. And if you like lavender scents, this smells like lavender and salt, like sea salt and lavender. And it is light, but this lasts forever and ever and ever. It just keeps going for like 4.5 days. And then I finally took the cube out because I was just ready to warm something else. Oh, and I want to show you this too. In the warmer months, Scentsy will put your wax melts in this Mylar pouch with an ice pack to ensure that you don't have any melting. So what did I get? I got another cozy cardigan. This is back, and it is this pretty like kind of a blush colored wax, and I really like cozy cardigan. I didn't really care for it before, but it's perfumey, it's musky, it's sweet. You have to smell it to make an informed decision, but I've been warming a lot of the cozy cashmere and pink haze, and this complements them very well, so I wanted to grab another bar of that, and I am enjoying that. I'm actually warming that in this room right now, and I'm loving it. So I got for Cloudberry Dreams. This is a new release. And, oh, let me show you the wax. It is like this pinkish mauve color. Really pretty. This is like berries, marshmallow, and rose. It's beautiful. It sort of reminds me of Disney's Belle Enchanted Rose, but put marshmallow in there and berries. Oh, I love this. And actually one of these bars is for a customer as well. That is a new release for the fall winter collection. Then I picked up, what did I pick up? Oh, 2 black raspberry vanillas. This is a bestseller. It's like this dark plum colored wax, and this is berries and vanilla. Raspberries and vanilla. Very, very simple. I've never heard anyone say they don't like this. Either it doesn't offend anybody, it just kind of hangs out, but it's really sweet, and it sort of smells like Fruit Loops to me, the cereal. So I really like that one. So I actually ordered 2 bars of that. And then I picked up a Berry Bright. And this was a new release for summer. And it is this beautiful turquoise wax. And I actually, in one of my previous videos, I said this was being discontinued, and it's not. I apologize about that. I guess I was just so heartbroken over all the new summer releases that I loved being discontinued. Oh. Here we go again. I got another wax nipple. But this smells like raspberry cotton candy, or like a blue raspberry slushy. Sugary, sweet, delicious. I love this. Love it. Next, I got a pumpkin roll. And it is this orange colored, very pretty wax. And I like pumpkin roll. It smells like pumpkin cake with a little nuttiness to it. Sweet pumpkin cake with little nuts on top. Very nice. Like that one. And then I thought I had, oh, I do. Okay. Yeah, I've got more in here. Okay, oh, so I actually picked up 2 cozy cardigans. So I got another cozy cardigan. And then I got an Amazon Rain. And it is this green colored wax. I like this one. I can warm this in every room of my house, but I really like this, like the fresh scents in the bathrooms. But this is like very fresh, but it's got like citrus and jasmine. Sort of hard to explain, but it's fresh, it's jasmine, but there's like this citrus. Oh, it's so nice. I love Amazon Rain so much, so I needed a restock on that. Then I got Aloe Water and Cucumber, and it is like this light mint colored wax. And this smells like aloe water. You get the cucumber, but you also get pineapple. Very interesting. And I love this for my bathrooms. I don't want to get tired of anything because there are so many scents that I love. So I sort of designate certain scents to certain rooms in my house so that I don't get tired of them. So I warm like what I consider fresh scents. Try to keep those in the bathroom because I don't want to get tired of them. So I do that. Some scents are designated to my bedroom, like shimmer, cozy cashmere, things like that, because it sets the mood to me. So that's what I do. But thank you for spending the past few minutes with me. That's what I have for this haul. And please comment. I love to know that you guys stop by my channel. Let me know what you've been warming and enjoying. And please remember to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. And as always, you know that I'm praying for you and your families, that you're safe and well. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.